Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones, tap on this hardware and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to install this app from this developer and open it. From here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you can finally select Send on an Android and Receive on OnePlus. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I can only go with this one song, click on Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on OnePlus, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here. And following that, choose Receive. So now as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!